In this video, I'll show you how to set up one-time use coupon codes with your Amazon products so that when you're launching your Amazon products, you can distribute these individual coupon codes and people will be able to buy your product at a steep discount, so you'll be able to start to get sales, reviews, and just show Amazon that you have a product that will sell. This will really help to launch new Amazon products especially. So what we're going to do to set up this one-time use coupon code is just go into advertising, promotions, and that's going to take you to this page right here. And in here, you can set up a few different types of promotions and coupon codes and things like that. We have free shipping. This is pretty much only going to be used by fulfilled by merchant sellers. So most of us won't be using this at all, but this is there for you, free shipping. And the one we're going to use today is the money off discount, the money off promotion. This will allow you to give a percentage discount or a flat dollar amount discount to anybody that buys your product. Like I said, we're going to set up individualized one-time use coupon codes so you can be sure that you're only going to give away a certain amount of inventory and things like that. Another type of promotion you can run is a buy one, get one free or buy one, get one discounted promotion. This one's pretty self-explanatory. You know, when you're selling a product, you can incentivize people to buy more through these buy one, get one campaigns. And then the last type of promotion are these external benefits. These are really useful in driving repeat purchases from people who have already bought your product. So if you wanted to give someone, 30% off their next purchase after ordering from you, you could do that with an external benefit promotion. Now, like I said, today we're pretty much only going to focus on the money off promotion, and that's going to be really useful when launching a new Amazon product. Once your product's up and launched and selling, we're going to start to play around with some of these other promotions as well. But right now, when we're launching our Amazon product, the only promotion we should be thinking about is this money off promotion. So let's go ahead and create our money off promotion. Just go ahead and click create right here. This will take you to the page to actually create your money off promotion. So in here, I'll go through each and every one of these items and kind of show you what you need to do to set this up right. Now, it's really, really, really important that you watch the rest of this video 100% and follow along. There's some very important things here that if you screw these things up, it could cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. So make sure you're following along with me here. The first thing we need to look at is this buyer purchases. How many units of the product need to be purchased in order to get this discount? That's what this means. So for an Amazon product launch, we're going to set this to 1 and just leave it at that. In the future, when you're doing your own promotions, you might want to set this to a bunch of different things. But for an Amazon product launch, we're going to set this to 1 and keep it there. Now, under that is the purchased items. Basically, which items does this discount and does this promotion actually apply to? So here we're going to go ahead, and I already set one up here, our purchased items here, but if you haven't created a product selection, just go ahead and click here to do that. This product selection is basically going to be which group of products is actually discounted in this promotion. So I'm going to go ahead, and I always create my product selections by ASIN right here. So just go ahead and click ASIN, create product selection. Now you're going to go in and pretty much whatever you want to do for these, right? So here's my Apple stand maybe, and my internal description. This is all just for you. So, maybe this is my Apple Watch stand launch campaign. So there's that. And then the ASIN here, again, you can put up to 4,000 ASINs in here. Of course, we're just trying to sell our one product that we're launching here, our Apple Watch stand, right? And looking at our Apple Watch stand in our inventory, it looks like the ASIN for this product is right here. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, just put it right in the ASIN list, submit, and that will create your product selection here. Now, once your product selection's made, you might have to refresh this page or go back into it, but you should see the Apple stand or the product selection that you just created. And now I have selected the Apple stand product selection as the purchased items for this promotion. What this means is basically that only that one Apple stand is actually going to be discounted in this promotion. So obviously that's a very important part of this. Now, next thing here is the buyer gets. What is the buyer actually receiving? What is the promotion? What is the discount? Most of the time, you're going to want to do an amount off in dollars, especially if you're doing an Amazon product launch. Because if you're doing percentage off, if someone comes in and buys 10 of your product, well, if you're giving 80% off, you're going to give 80% off of that entire cart of 10 products, right? And that's not what you want to do. So if you do the amount off in dollars, maybe say our Apple stand is $30 and maybe I want to give $20 off, right? So now I would just do $20 off. With this, it doesn't matter how many Apple stands are purchased, how many units are purchased, it's only going to take off a maximum of $20, no matter if 1 is purchased, 10 are purchased, etc. So this will just help you to protect that inventory a little further and make sure that you're not giving away more product than you want to. Next is the applies to. What does this actually apply to? I always just put purchased items in here, so yeah, I would just do that. Down here in advanced options, these are things that we're not going to set right now. Again, in the future, you might want to set these up for different product promotions, but for an Amazon product launch from scratch, we're not going to touch any of these advanced options. Scrolling down here, usually you're going to want to set your start date for just the default. This will typically be the soonest that Amazon will actually roll out this coupon code. Even if I selected this for, right now or a previous date or something like that, if I selected for earlier this morning or something, it's still going to take 4 hours for Amazon to actually register and process this discount. So again, I would just leave this at the default and leave it at that. Now, the end date you can put farther out whenever you want to end this. Usually I do anywhere from 20, 30 days, anything like that. And then for the internal description, this is just letting us know why this promotion exists, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put Apple Watch Stand Launch Campaign. We are launching this product. For the tracking ID, this is just internal tracking. So you can put whatever you want here. Customers are not going to see this. So going down to the next area, this is where everything is very, very, very important. If you do not do step 3 correctly, you have the potential to lose thousands and thousands of dollars. So make sure you're doing this stuff absolutely correctly. Make sure your screen looks like my screen here. So for the claim code, we absolutely want a claim code, and we absolutely want 1 redemption per customer. This just means that, someone can't come in and buy up all of our inventory for a massive discount, right? This is going to protect that inventory. So absolutely, we need 1 redemption per customer. With the claim code, I would just leave this to whatever you want. We're going to create more claim codes after this anyways, so don't worry about this. Just leave this at whatever it is. Now down here, you can set your claim code combination status. Most of the time, you're just going to do exclusive in this, and I would just recommend sticking to exclusive. We'll talk about these other combination statuses later in the program. Now down here you can also select the customization message. This is not too important, the customization message itself, but this right here is called the checkbox of doom. You absolutely, absolutely, absolutely do not want this checkbox checked. You need to make sure this checkbox is unchecked. I cannot stress this enough, guys. This needs to be unchecked. If this is checked, you have selected the check mark of doom, and all of your inventory is at risk of being liquidated at this discounted price. If this checkbox is checked, then every single customer that goes to your product listing will see this coupon. And even worse, there's robots and things like that out there that are constantly looking for people to make this mistake so they can go in and clear out your entire inventory instantly. So you need to be absolutely certain that this checkbox is not checked. Give it one last look before you go on. This absolutely should not be checked. All right, and then once we're done with that, guys, that's pretty much it. So we're going to go ahead and review our promotion here. Go through and give it one last review and make sure that everything was set up properly. And if so, go ahead and click submit. Once we click submit, our promotion is up and running. The next thing we're going to want to do is actually create some of those one-time use coupon codes. Now that the promotion is set up, we need to actually get the coupon codes that we're going to distribute. So go ahead and click manage your promotions right here. And then again, our promotion is technically not active, right? It's going to take a few hours for this to actually start. So we're going to go ahead and look for the pending promotions here. Once we find that promotion, go ahead and click view. And then in here, we can click right here to manage the claim codes. So let's go ahead and manage those claim codes. we can see that this product has no claim code groups right now, right? There's no extra promotions, no extra claim codes that we've made so far. It is just a promotion that can't be redeemed right now. So we need to actually create some of these one-time use coupon codes. So let's go ahead and set those up. So for our group name, we're just going to put, something for our internal reference. We'll call this the Apple Watch Stand Launch Group Number 1 in case we want to do additional groups of these in the future. And then for the quantity, you're basically going to put whatever amount you want to give away at this discounted price. So maybe we're giving away 100 units of this product. So I'm going to go ahead and create 100 coupon codes to start. Go ahead and click create. And right there, guys, it is done. So as you can see, it is in progress right now. So you might need to refresh your page, but in a few seconds, you should see that those coupon codes that we created are ready to download. So let's go ahead and download those coupon codes. This will just open those up in a nice little text document for you. And guys, with that, I have all of my coupon codes here. They're a little big, so I'll make them a little smaller, but yeah, with that, I have all of my coupon codes and I am ready to go. So go ahead and save this file on your computer, and then essentially you're just going to distribute these coupon codes one at a time, and each one of these will be one redemption of that promotion. So guys, we have successfully set up our one-time use coupon codes. Let's go ahead and start using them.